Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can interact with pets in Heartopia. So if you want to feed them, just press the bowl icon and select the food you want to give them. There's dog food. You can also give them apples and mushrooms, I guess. Right now my dog is full. You can also interact with them by pressing the paw button here. You can select this action command. You will get the rest as soon as you level up your bond with your dogs. You can train them, clean them, and go out with them as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!